Yeah, you saw the title already. We got a Ti-83 here. Oh, you see it tried to do something there, but it's not coming to life. And we got a Ti-84 here, which I swear it wasn't working before. That wasn't supposed to happen. But seriously, it wasn't going on before, so it's got some intermittent problems at the very least. So we'll see what we can figure out with these. Oh, yeah, you see that? What was that about? That's so weird. And this one just f***ing works now, just to spite me. Now, I already know what the first thing everyone's gonna say is, yes, I already checked, it's got fresh batteries. Okay, so now nope. Okay, so now we actually have good batteries, and yeah, we made negative progress, because it was doing that weird screen thing before, and now it's doing nothing at all. Whoa! What the hell? Dude, these things are so finicky. We got, oh, okay, gone. Next thing I'm gonna do, I don't think it'll make a difference, but I'm gonna replace this little battery. And I guess if the main batteries die, it is supposed to preserve your storage. Bam. And voila, we're in the same spot. I got the ones for this too. Who knows how old the one in here is, so I'm just gonna replace it for funsies. Ugh. All right, we got good batteries everywhere. This one still works for some reason, and this one still doesn't work for some reason. And now, some really stupid shit. Did that do something? Are those too deep? It was then that I realized that the screw was too deep inside the hole for my poor little short fat tool to reach it. It's like, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch too deep. Well, I don't have a longer bit, and I kind of want to do this. So, wait a second, I don't have drill bits. With no other options, I did what I had to do to survive. Oh, that's it. That's definitely the screw. Give it to me. Yes! Yeah, not recommended practice. Alright, round 2, I guess. This looks so stupid. Let's go. Yeah, obviously don't recommend doing that. Just get a bit that's long enough. Ah, there we go. Hooray! We did it! Okay, I was exactly right. I watched a couple videos before this that were probably more instructional than this will be. But the actual batteries have contacts here and here. These two little pins connect to the board inside, here and here. That little corner here and this little corner there. That's all that's touching to make your electrical contact to power this thing. And would you look at that? That is worn away. And I know this is a recurring problem because I've seen people online have it, and I will bet you $50 that that's what's going on with this one. But yeah, let's fix it. The simple solution is to bend these pins one way or the other so that they contact a different part of these surfaces here. And I learned from someone that you don't even have to take it apart to accomplish this. So here's the 84, and it's the same thing on this one. Right in here and in here are the same little pins contacting surfaces on the board. If you're careful, you can stick a screwdriver or something in from here and move the pins without taking the back off. Oh yeah, you can see the board. On the right side, that is the pin. Can you see that? This one's definitely in better shape than that Ti-83 board because it works half of the time, but I'm still gonna move it. And here's the other side. Yeah, you can see it right there. That's cool that this showed up on the camera. There's no way I'm gonna be able to adjust this while still being visible on the camera. But yeah, I'm just gonna bend that guy. Looks like there's more room to the right. I'm gonna bend that guy a little bit to the right, and I'm gonna bend this one to the left. And hopefully I won't have any more problems in the future. Okay. Okay, I think you can tell that it's a little bit different now. Yeah. Hopefully it still works. All right. And it doesn't have to be any harder than that. Now for this one, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna move them so that they're inside here and here. Definitely be gentle while you're doing this. Can you see that? Yes, you can see that. Let's go. It looks like they're touching clean parts of the surface now. So why don't I back up that claim? This just looks cool. Time for the moment of truth. It won't work still. Okay, so I actually had more success relocating them by just reaching in here like this than I did when it was actually taken apart. But it still won't turn on. Okay, so we got a problem here. Here to here across the batteries, you can see we got 6 volts. When I reach down and touch the surfaces of the board, we also get 6 volts, which means that those connections are fixed. I fixed them, but something else within the calculator is still upset, so I don't know what to do. Well, hey, at least I fixed the one that already worked. I can't visually find anything else messed up with it, so I don't really know what else I could try. Let's dig a little deeper just for kicks. Magnetic screwdriver. Damn it, dude. Oh, look at all that. I found more glitter. Could be that the screen's f***ed. Look at that, like that's pretty sus. That was not me, it was like that already. And the way it was behaving at first, that kind of felt like a weird screen thing, right? So maybe the screen's going on it. I'm just begging to lose one of these screws with the way I'm doing this. Pretty cool. No, I'm definitely not flipping this upside down. Yeah, nothing obviously wrong here. The weird stuff at the beginning could have been the screen, or it could have been anything else. I don't know enough about how this works. All right, I got one more thing I'm gonna try from a video I found, which I will link in the description. I'm gonna try this, and then if that doesn't work, then I'll give up. If that doesn't work, then I'll give up. I'm gonna see if I can heat up these connections on this ribbon cable where it connects to the screen and where it connects to the board. And maybe one of those connections is loose or weakened over time. I mean, it could be the ribbon cable itself. Look at how like creased and stuff it is. I don't know how delicate it is. I'm gonna reattach the board. My soldering iron is a real cheap piece of shit. So I have no clue how this is gonna go. Hopefully I don't make things worse. But you know, what do I have to lose really? This wasn't even my calculator originally, and it doesn't work at all right now. I don't know if it's warm enough yet. I also don't know if when it's fully warm it'll be too warm. Yeah, that was really stupid of me. Don't do that. That was really f***ing stupid. Don't do that. Just gonna be real slow. Don't want to melt anything. Don't want to like seriously mess anything up. But hopefully, if I apply a little bit of heat, I'll remelt the stuff here and reseat any connections that might have come loose over time. Same thing. I'm just gonna carefully make my way across the surface here. Okay, I'm going through the plastic a little bit. Might be too hot. I don't have any temperature control, of course, so I just unplugged it. Cool down slightly, maybe. Oh god. Okay, I might have just made things worse. I'm gonna stop right now while I'm ahead. That doesn't look great, but I don't know. You can see the individual connections, the individual stripes, a little bit better now. So like maybe that helped if I didn't like short some of them together, like right here. I might have messed it up catastrophically, but also like I should have been more careful, man. Yeah, I'm jank. Tell me something I don't know. So I'm not feeling too optimistic about this, but maybe it'll work. Oh, holy shit, look at that. I did something to help, but not enough. Oh man, I ruined it. Dude, and now there's nothing. Now we, oh, so it's on right now. 4, it is on. It's just half of the display is totally 5 plus 5, 10. 3 times 3 equals. Yeah, the display is totally dude. So yeah, I failed, but I think maybe if I hadn't done a bad job there, maybe that would have worked. Again, I'll link the video that I watched. Maybe you'll have more luck with it than I will. But you know, if your calculator won't turn on, in all likelihood, it's just the contact issue. So you can still try that and hopefully it'll work. I'm at least confident now that I won't have any more issues with this one going forward, so it... What? What the hell? Well, at least it was nice enough to censor that for me. I give up. Well, if you want to try this fix, just know that it only works on calculators that aren't possessed. That's all for now, I guess. 1/2 out of 2 things fixed. Not great. This is the game I made way back in the day, Pilot Adventure 2. Check out that title screen. I guess what's good about my failure in this video is that you can't just assume automatically that I succeed in fixing the thing that I'm doing, you know? You know, keep you on the edge of your seat, you know? Like, is he actually gonna do it or is he gonna flop? Is he gonna destroy the thing instead? I don't know. Keep watching to find out.